first baby step that we're taking on open hardware and on Android and third-party hardware controlling. So this is a kind of vision that we have. The first step that we're taking. And I hope that you go back and whatever the project that you do. I would like to hear from all of you on the project. They will have my email IDs. So please put together the 3 projects that you're doing and how it worked out. Go back to your colleges and continue the work.
By creating an application and interfacing it to the board. So the slots are available on the board, so you connect your LEDs and start using it, or a stepper motor, start using it. Any such kind of applications. So you have the 4 USB ports. Here you want more USB ports. We have something called as OTG, very small. That can also be used to power up the board, from which what we do is we connect more expansion slots of USB cables through which serial communication happens. Apart from that, you have a serial port on top of it, and it can act as also a web server, Ethernet web server, because it's having a Ethernet port. Well, one of the applications that we created recently was we use our Google phone, that is, which has a tethering. It has an application called as Bluetooth tethering. Okay, so we turn it on and we make the phone like a server. We turn the Wi-Fi on and we make the phone like a server. And this is connected to the system which has a video camera or a webcam that is connected, through which video is captured and is streamed lively. But the same video can be streamed somewhere sitting in any room, turning on your cell phone.
This project based on we are going taking the platform of Arduino, and here we are going to interface a DC motor with the Arduino.
Interfaced an Arduino board,
Okay.
with an LDR,
Okay.
and it is controlled LDR. Using the LDR, we are controlling the LED.
Okay.